State President Luong Cuong on Thursday addressed the special plenary session of Angola's National Assembly, exploring the theme, elevating Vietnam-Angola relations to new heights, serving as a bridge to promote peace, cooperation, and sustainable development in Southeast Asia and Africa. He outlined 5 priorities for cooperation: strengthening political trust, expanding economic, trade, and investment ties, promoting people-to-people exchanges, enhancing mutual support in international forums, and building on existing foundations to replicate successful models. He also emphasized continued collaboration in healthcare and education, resuming agricultural export exchanges, and welcoming Angolan students to Vietnam. State President Luong Cuong affirmed Vietnam's readiness to help Angola and African regional organizations strengthen ties with ASEAN, fostering sustainable, comprehensive ties and mutually beneficial cooperation between Southeast Asia and Africa.